Welcome to today's live money making call for Epic customers and users. All right, if you are on the live call, please let me know in the chat box below. And if you're watching the recording on YouTube and other channels, trust me, you should give me a like and share. You know why? Because this video is a live training, but you're getting it for free. In this video, we will show you how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way, in a super simple way. Okay? Ready for this? Before we begin, today's money motivation. Look at this, $352,392. Super awesome, right? This is earned by our affiliates. They have earned $187,112, which is almost 50% of this revenue. Now, these money things are very exciting, but this is not the most important part here. The most important part are the hops. These are the clicks on our affiliate links by visitors. The visitors of our contents like these videos. But on our other channels, we don't use cameras and microphones because it's not scalable and it's not needed. Not needed? Yeah, it's not needed because these customers or these visitors, they're not here to look at me or see how I speak or something. They are on the internet to solve their problems. They have questions, and if we simply answer their questions by looking on the internet and help them get their answers, they will love us, they will trust us, and they will click on our links, and eventually they find our offers useful, they buy from us, and we make money. This is the exact same way our affiliates make money. And this is where Epic comes in. Epic allows you to make videos using artificial intelligence. When you need a script, just copy any script, come to the text section, click the text generator, put that text, use any of these buttons and rewrite the text. That will become your script for your videos. So Epic writes the scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Then take that script, go to the audio section and use that text to audio, put that text here and turn it into natural sounding voiceover. How cool is that? And Epic makes videos using image links and texts. And Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos just like this, save it as a campaign, then come back later, add more sections if you want, and then finally when you are happy, simply click the render button and your video is ready. Download it, upload it, people find it useful, they will love you, follow you, click your links and you'll make money. That's how simple it is to make money. Now, in this video, I will show you customers with problems and I will give you a template. Put information in the template and your money-making video is ready. And we will also use another software right here. It's called Proscribe. This is a live transcribing software. It will transcribe my text whenever I need it. So let's find a problem of customers. We know that Shopify is a store builder software and it's expensive. So the people who use Shopify, they have credit cards and they are customers, but they have a lot of problems. So we will figure those problems and solve that using our affiliate promotion. So for an example, let's say we are promoting my offer grants, which is also store builder software, completely Shopify replacement at a one-time price. And it has one more benefit. Grants has all the benefits that Shopify expensive add-ons can give you or WooCommerce expensive plugins can give you, all built in. So what we're going to do, pick one of the feature as the core problem and solve that problem using Epic. So the problem is coupons. Grants give you built-in coupon making system. But with Shopify, you have to buy additional add-ons. They cost you like this, $9 per month, $25, $49 per month. There is a free version, but for limited visitors. This is not enough. So we're going to start our intro, our video, with a strong intro, with a strong hook. If you are using Shopify to run your online store, you definitely use coupons. Coupons can add more sales and more revenue easily. We are done with this, so we are going to just copy it. Control C. Now we will copy this text and go to the audio section. In the audio section, go to the text to audio section, click here, add, give it a title, choose the quality, and my favorite voice type, Control V. Just click submit and your voiceover is ready. Now one click to add this voiceover in the clip. I have to delete it and I will go to the text section, paste the text. Now see what I'm going to do. I'm going to play the audio.
If you are using Shopify,
When it says Shopify, I'm going to select this text and click Add Selected Text. You see that?
to run your online store,
Then I will choose Online Store and add selected text.
you'll definitely use coupons.
When it says coupons, I will add coupons.
Coupons can add more
When it says more sales, I'm going to add more sales.
sales and more revenue.
When it says revenue, I'll add revenue. Done. Now look what happens. I'm going to take them away and I'll make it nice. Shopify and online store. Put it here. Then I will add coupons right here. I'll add more sales and more revenue. Okay. Now look what happens. It's so interesting. Go back and run.
If you are using Shopify to run your online store, you'll definitely use coupons. Coupons can add more sales and more revenue easily.
Nice. Okay. Same thing you can do with images.
Coupons.
You can simply go to the image section and click Pixabay and search with coupons or something like that. We found something. Let's use it for an example. Click to use and the image is added. Super good, right? Now let's drag it here. A little bit of drama. Rotate it, and if you want, you can put it at the bottom of all texts, and now you can change the color of the text so it's clear. Interestingly, look at this. Your image is at the timeline where you just placed it. So now, if you play,
Use coupons.
awesome. Now don't worry, your text is already on top, so your text will be visible when you render it. In the next section, we will go and save changes. In the next section, we will say something about what's happening right now. So we will tell them, hey, you can use add-ons on your Shopify store in order to make coupons. And for that, we can simply take a screenshot from anywhere using a free screenshot capturing software. Click done, click copy, go to editor, go to the image section and click here and click one button to import it. Rotate a little bit to make it look good. And now I can say in the text and audio that you can use this app to make coupons for your store. Now in the next slide or the next section, I will say this is good, but there is a problem. And as a problem, I will show the pricing. I'll take a screenshot, put it here and say, this is very expensive for beginners. Then I will say something more to agitate the problem that how expensive it is. Shopify itself is expensive, this add-on is expensive, and if you add more add-ons, it will be more and more expensive. I will even mention that you should start making money first, then spend money on other stuff. But without these important features, you're not going to make money. And then I will say, but there is a hope. There is a solution and I'm going to tell you the solution. And the solution is Grants. Grants is good. Grants has all these benefits, features, etc. And I will put all this information right here. So if you look at the sequence, first I told them the truth. Then I told them how they can get more sales using coupon. Then I told them they can use a certain add-on to get this problem solved. And then I was really generous to point out the problem with this solution, which is expensive. And then I showed even better gesture by offering a better solution, which is cheaper and has all the bells and whistles, all the benefits of Shopify and WooCommerce, and that is Grants. So the trust is already built. Now I will ask them that, hey, if you want Grants, link is in the description or in the first comment or in the bios if you are watching my video from TikTok or Instagram. This is exactly how we solve problems using simple image, text, and links-based videos using Epic. And our customers love us because we give away videos like this with helpful information. That's it. Money making is super simple if you have tools like Epic. I'm advertising my tool too much because we use it ourselves. And we have hundreds of customers who love this product. So go ahead, if you haven't grabbed your access to Epic yet, link is in the description, go grab it. And if you haven't liked our video yet, please go ahead, like this video, share this video with your friends and family. This way they will also learn good information, helpful information, how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will click your links and you will make these affiliate commissions. Good? Go ahead, like, share. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.